Joining me live is constitutional law expert and senior lecturer at the ANU, Dr. Jelena Gligorijevic. Thanks very much for your time. So I know there's a lot of sort of conventions and things. What actually changes in a legal sense today?
Well, in one word, nothing changes in a legal sense. Ever since the beginning of the 1700s, it's confirmed in law in Britain and also here in Australia that when an existing monarch dies, the successor immediately becomes the next monarch. So King Charles...
There's no need to confirm that or go through a process. In that moment, King Charles became King Charles.
King Charles III is now king and also our king. However, on Saturday, in St James's Palace in London, we will have the Accession Council, which is a body that meets on the death of a monarch, otherwise known as the Demise of the Crown. And at that council, our High Commissioner in London, the acting High Commissioner for Australia, will be present. And the purpose of that council is simply to confirm the name and to proclaim Charles as the king.
And that will be King Charles III, and that's when that will sort of appear in whatever official version it needs to here in Australia.
Absolutely.
We've had our federal MPs sworn in with allegiance to the Queen, but it's to the Queen and her successor or successors. So my understanding is the only people that need to be signed in or sworn in again is actually Victorian state MPs, because they don't get that successor add-on. So they'll all need to be sworn in again. Yes,
absolutely. So that's a quirk, we might say, in the Victorian constitutional arrangement. That is simply going to be a minor thing that needs to be done. However, as a matter of law in the state of Victoria, parliamentarians can't carry out their duties until they are sworn in.
So they've got to do that straight away?
They've got to do that straight away, yes. In respect of the rest of Australia, including at the federal level, the oath covers all of the successors.
One of the biggest symbolic things will be our currency. So on all coins now there'll be an effigy of Prince Charles, should say, I'm getting used to it, King Charles on the back. Not the Queen, which we've never had in our currency because, of course, we brought in our own dollars and cents in 1966. So that will be there for the first time, but all the other currency still out there already is still legal tender, in case anyone was wondering.
Absolutely, still legal tender. All of the changes that have to be made will be made, but there will be no change to legal tender.
All right, so don't throw away your coins. Dr. Jelena Gligorijevic, thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you.